Hi guys, welcome to prepvelvet.com. Today we will be learning about finding rank of a word in permutation and combination. The three topics which we will learn is what is rank of a word, traditional way of finding rank of a word, and a quicker way of finding rank of a word. The quicker way is what we need to learn for solving questions in CAT. Now first question, what is rank of a word? Let us suppose a 3-alphabet word ABC and we need to find the rank of the word CAB. So we can write these many words with A, B and C. The first word is ABC, the second word is ACB, the third word is BAC, the fourth word is BCA, the fifth word is CAB, and the sixth word is CBA. So what is the rank of the word CAB? CAB comes at 5th position. Hence the rank is 5. Now let's move on to the second topic, traditional way of finding rank of a word. Let us say we need to find the rank of the word Rahul. What's the traditional way of doing this? First, arrange Rahul in alphabetical order. It will come out to be A, H, L, R and U. Now have a look at the process. There are 5 alphabets and we need to find the rank of the word Rahul, which is starting from R. So this place can have A, H, L, that is 3 possibilities, and the 4 alphabets can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. This gives us 72 such words which start from either A, H or L. After these 72 words, the next word will start from R, and the second alphabet to R will obviously be H, because it occupies first position in alphabetical order, then H. After this we can have 2 possibilities, either L and U or U and L. So total number of possibilities to obtain Rahul will be 74. Now let's move on to the third topic, quicker way of finding rank of a word. We'll use the same example, that is finding rank of the word Rahul. Alphabetically these can be arranged in following way: A, H, L, R and U. A occupies first position, so write 1 over here. R occupies 4th position, so write 4 over here. H occupies the 2nd position, so write 2 over here. U occupies the 5th position, so write 5 over here, and L 3. In the next process, compare these numbers 4, 1, 2, 5 and 3. 4 is greater than 1, 2 and 3, so write 3 over here. 1 is not greater than any one, so write 0. Again 2 is not greater than 5 and 3, so write 0. 5 is greater than 3, so write 1 and 0 obviously. In the next step, write 0 factorial over here, 1 factorial over here, 2 factorial over here, 3 factorial over here and 4 factorial over here. Now multiply these two. 3 into 4 factorial plus 1 into 1 factorial and add 1 to it. We get 72 plus 1 plus 1, which gives us 74. The same answer which we got in the traditional way. You must be wondering why I am calling this a quicker way. Let's solve another example to know why. Find the rank of the word grammar. G-R-A-M-M-A-R. When arranged alphabetically, it will come out to be A, G, M and R. R is repeating twice, M is repeating twice and A is repeating twice. Now G occupies second position, so write 2 over here. R occupies fourth position, so write 4 over here and 4 over here. A occupies first position, so 1 and 1. M occupies third position, so 3 and 3. In the next process, compare these numbers. The only number which is lesser than 2 and right of it is 1. So write 2, because there are two cases, 1 and 1. Here 4 is greater than 1, 3 and 1. So write 4 over here. A is not greater than any of these, so write 0. M is greater than A, so 1. Again M is greater than A, so 1, 0 and 0. Write 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial and 6 factorial. Notice the difference between the previous example and this example. In this example there is repetition of words. A is repeating twice, M is repeating twice, R is repeating twice. So to nullify that effect, we'll divide 6 factorial by repetition of A twice, M twice and R twice. So 2 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. For 5 factorial we have repetition of A twice and M twice and also R twice, same thing. So 2 factorial whole to the power 3. In the next case we have 4 factorial divided by 2 repetition of M and 2 repetition of A, hence 2 factorial to the power 2. In the next case there is only repetition of M, so 2 factorial. No repetition, leave it. Now multiply these two and add 1 to it to get the answer. The answer comes out to be 6 factorial, which is 720. 720 divided by 8 into 2, that is 4, which gives us 180. Similarly 5 factorial by 8 into 4, which gives us 120 by 2 or 60. 4 factorial into 0, 0 plus 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which gives us 3. Sorry for these mistakes. Now 2 factorial into 1 gives us 2 and plus 1. Hence our answer is 180 plus 60 240 plus 3 243 plus 2 245 plus 1 2, 4, 6. Kindly match this answer with the traditional way and see whether this process is quicker or not. Thank you for watching this video. Hi guys, welcome to prepvelvet.com. Today we will be learning about finding rank of a word in permutation and combination. First of all, let us look what is a rank. Let us suppose a name blah blah blah.